plants to maintain. General health from nature. The human body protects itself from many diseases. Nature itself took care of this. It is important to maintain natural health by intaking natural herbs which are devoid of any kind of side effects. The fresh herb not just add flavor barring calories, but apply health benefits as healing meal. 1. Turmeric curcumin.
Turmeric is the spice that gives curry its yellow color. It has been used in India for thousands of years as both a spice and medicinal herb. Recently, science has started to back up traditional claims that turmeric contains compounds with medicinal properties. These compounds are called curcuminoids. The most important one is curcumin. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant.
2. Tulsi.
Tulsi, which is also called the holy basil, grows very commonly in our backyard and is often used to add flavor to the tea. However, it is also widely used as a home remedy to treat many illnesses, given that it has multiple benefits for the health. Tulsi leaves are rich in adaptogens which help in reducing the stress levels in your body. It also helps relax your nervous system and increases blood circulation. This is calming to the senses and contributes to reduction in stress.
3. GILOY.
Giloy Tinospora cordifolia is an Ayurvedic herb that has been used and advocated in Indian medicine for ages, says Delhi-based nutritionist Anshul Jivarat. In Sanskrit, Giloy is known as amrita, which literally translates to the root of immortality because of its abundant medicinal properties. Giloy is a universal herb that helps boost immunity. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants which fight free radicals, keep your cells healthy, and get rid of diseases.
4. Ashwagandha.
Its botanical name is Withania somnifera, and it's also known by several other names, including Indian ginseng and winter cherry. Ashwagandha is perhaps best known for its ability to reduce stress. It's classified as an adaptogen, a substance that helps the body cope with stress. Ashwagandha appears to help control mediators of stress, including heat, shock proteins HSP70, cortisol, and stress-activated C-Jun N-terminal protein kinase.
5. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon is a popular spice that most people have in their kitchen cupboard. They use it in baked goods and on top of hot drinks. But this seasoning, which people have used since ancient Egypt, has a host of health benefits in addition to its delicious flavor. Cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant. In fact, it contains more antioxidants than garlic and oregano. These substances shield the body from free radicals that cause oxidative stress, which occurs when the body cannot detoxify all the damaging free radicals building up. Antioxidants can help prevent the negative impact excess free radicals can have on the immune system.
6. Ginger.
Ginger is a type of flowering plant that is closely related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal, recognized as one of the healthiest spices available. Ginger root is an effective treatment for reducing nausea and vomiting, prevalent in Western alternative medicine practices. Ginger is commonly given to help calm an upset stomach in people prone to motion sickness, morning sickness, or certain gastrointestinal system disorders.
If you like this video, kindly please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.